Hi, I'm Brennan Palmer, Applications Engineer in Capital Robotics. What I'm going to be going over today in this video is setting up a master program utilizing a call P function. Now for my example here today, what I'm using is a FusionArt 300L with an FD-V8L robot. What I've already done is I went ahead and made two programs that simulate my Part 1 and Part 2 programs. Now I want to build my master program so that I can run my production cycle. So if you follow along with me here, we're going to open up our program directory, and then as you can see, I have program 3000 for my master program, 3001 for Part 1, and 3002 for Part 2. Opening up my master program, all I have started here is my first line in my remark naming that program as my master program. I'm going to go down to that line, and from there I'm going to hit my FN key for my functions, and I'm going to pull up an FN80, which is a program call. After selecting or hitting enter on FN80 program call, if you're on the bottom of your screen, it's going to ask you to call what program number. From there, I know I want to call my program number 3001 for my first program, and it's going to go ahead and jump that in for Part 1. I'm going to do the same thing for Part 2. So for Part 2, I'm going to go in, hit my FN key, I'm going to pull up FN80 for program call, select enter, it's going to ask me my program number, I'm going to go ahead and drop in 3002 and select enter. Now, at the end of my program, I always have to put my end statement. So I'll go ahead and do so. This is all you have to do to make your master program. So, why do we build a master program? Well, if we have a part that has a lot of steps in it, for ease of editing, we may want to build that into a subroutine. So for instance, we take a big part and we make it into sub-assemblies, and one program being the top and one program being the bottom, and then these subroutines get built into a master program. Or if you have multiple parts on one table, we can build those into subroutines, and then if we have a problem, we can go back easily and edit out that problem. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. I hope it brought some value to you. If you liked what you saw, hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos like this. If you'd like to know more about Capital Robotics and who we are, check out capitalrobotics.com. Great job, robot.